Over a period of time, your headlights can become scratched, clouded, or yellowed, not only degrading your vehicle's appearance and value, but also resulting in a reduction of the headlight's key function, illumination. With a quality restoration service, all vehicle lenses, including headlamps, tail lights, fog and directional lights, can be returned to an immaculate condition for a fraction of the cost of replacing. Experienced technicians carefully revitalize the material in a restoration process, which includes several steps: graded sanding, buffing, and fine polishing. Headlight restoration is a proven technique which enhances visibility at a very reasonable cost. For better illumination, call Simpson Motors and make an appointment.